Hey Sean, I got another video for you. There's my son Ben. We're going to the airport to go to Montreal. This is how New Yorkers go to the airport. Join us. All right, Sean, that was about 50 minutes from Windsor Terrace to Jackson Heights. And now we're online for the Q70, the link to LaGuardia, along with a bunch of other New Yorkers. Should be good. You want to talk about a real shithole, Sean? It's the fact that the bus gets stuck in traffic. It's going to take us 20 minutes to get from Roosevelt Jackson Heights Station to LaGuardia Airport, a distance of only a couple of miles. Traffic. Your traffic. Traffic you want to make worse. Traffic I'm stuck in right now. Well, there you go, Sean. That's how pros in New York get to the airport. Pros and their son going off to Montreal, taking the subway to the bus. And it works. Not a shit.
Built to stay on the earth this long.